Hello?
Hello? Hi.
Hello?
Hi, can you hear
Hello?
me?
Riddhi, where are you? Are you drilling a wall?
Honestly, at this point, even I don't know what I'm doing. Listen, I'll be there in 10 minutes, okay? Yeah. 10 minutes. पूरी लाइफ तो अपग्रेड हो गई है, बस किचन थोड़ी पीछे रह गई है. You know what? बहुत हो गई procrastination. It's time to do something about it now. Watch me do that. Guys, Prestige का anything for anything exchange offer is here. Now you can go and exchange your old cookware and kitchenware for smarter Prestige innovations. Like I did. Quieter, smarter, faster. Everything my kitchen should have been. Prestige. For the cook who cares about their health and their time. Now, both are sorted. Yeah.